Hello, welcome to Successful Trading. In this video, we bring you a review of Maverick Trading. So, who is this video for today? It could be somebody who's looking to learn about trading options or trading Forex. And you may be wondering that is an opportunity with a prop firm, prop as in proprietary firm, especially given the finesse they use in their marketing scheme. So without any further ado, let us dissect in this video what is Maverick Trading. All right. Excellent, folks. Well, Maverick Trading, I have some personal experience in the past with it. Not that, yeah, a little bit in the past, but also because, as you may know, if you have heard my other videos, I traded with proprietary firms, so I can see nuances in between. So here, Maverick Trading, they have two divisions. That's what you need to know. So if you're contacted by the recruiters, they can be very aggressive. Yeah. So trust me, because nowadays, let's say if you go on the website searching for things, trust me, companies out there, they will know. And you could find yourself with a text message. Whoa, such and such. You're like, how do they know that? Yes, they know, folks. They know, unfortunately. So, well, fortunately, I don't know if we have something to hide if we're looking for opportunity, especially in a time such as this, right? So Maverick Trading has two divisions. There's the option side, and then there is a Forex side. So those two, the recruiters, pretty much, I can talk to you by my personal experience. Maybe, I don't know, how many years ago was that? They will start you with, let's say if you start up with the option side, and then they know already, let's say if there's a barrier, trust me, there is a barrier at some point, financial that is, and then they will tell you, oh, our requirement for FX is lower, or maybe you like Forex to get trading from the get-go. So let's go. We wrote two articles on our blog, successfultrading.com, so we're going to put them in the link such that you get the inside of what is Maverick Trading overall. So Maverick Trading offer this value proposition, really, right? It's very exciting. At the beginning, they will tell you that, hey, we can fund you. Yeah, that's what prop firm do. I've worked for one, trust me. In my case, we were trading stocks, but here trading options is kind of similar, right? So they will tell you, oh, we can fund your an account for you to trade. And then so you're like, oh man, these guys, they're really great. Oh, yeah, okay. The premise is that you're going to be splitting the profit. So you will have something like this where they tell you that, oh, we fund your trading capital with $25,000, and then for the profits, we split them. You, the trader, you get 70%. The prop firm, Maverick, they get 70%, and then they go into three level. I mean, it's typical thing, right? Associate, trader, master trader, elite trader. So the higher you go, the more you get to keep 80% of the profit if you are elite, and if you're a master, you get to keep 75% of the profit. But my friend, that's pretty much that's where the beauty lies, because let's talk about how you get funded, the so-called get funded, folks. The requirement on here, and that's what for us we wrote this article, because I think it's good. Marketing schemes are so and far in between. So you're looking for $25,000 to get funded, meaning the barrier to entry into trading sometimes it's capital, right? So this proposition seems too enticing, but my friend, let me tell you right now, yeah, this 25,000 come with a big catch. What is the catch? You have to put in $5,000. Okay, so that's step number one. Obviously, you see already, right? For me telling you that, hey, I can fund you $25,000 to start an account, which we know $25,000, it's because you can do day trading. Yeah, we have another video about how to avoid the day trading rule if you're a beginner. But in this case, 25,000, that's why they picked that number. Yeah, because then you can day trade out of that account. But my friend, here's the thing. You bring $5,000, and I guarantee you here, the article will go into length into explaining that. We have all of the section on here. So I really invite you to finish the video and then go to this article. Again, this is the option side, the FX side, pretty much similar. You will see similarities. So Maverick will do this. Maverick will say, okay, fine, bring your 5,000. We're going to add their 20K to that put it 25. But my friend, the reality of it is that you are never going to put at risk their money. Yeah, the two brains at Maverick, Mr. Rob Greenwood and Mr. Darren Fisher. These guys, they actually provide a structure which is education. I kid you not. They have a nice structure. They will even have webinar, not webinar, but like pre-market, but on a Sunday evening. Yeah, I think it was like 5-6 p.m. California time. Or they're based in California, I believe. So that's anything. It's serious, right? But my friend, so there's the 5,000 that you have to bring, but at any given time you cannot lose more than 5,000. Meaning basically they are providing you the ability to get that buying power, but just like you can take your own 5K, go into a broker, and then your broker give you a margin account. That's really what it is, because you're never risking their own money. So if you lose that 5K, you're gone. That's the reality behind it. And then, oh, by the way, while you're doing that, you have to pay $199 for this fee every month. Which, I mean, I mean, we can tolerate that a little bit, but for me, it's just the whole setup and how they get you into believing that. So so the short here is really that, hey, it's your own capital, your 5K that you're risking at any time. So for us, we did our study on here. So we went to Reddit. Yeah, that's how they say it. we find people who what's the experience on there. We went to Glassdoor. We went to Indeed. This is a known company. I mean, it's not something hidden, no. But that's the reality of it. So people with recent opinion on there. And then we talked about the main competitor, Trading Capital 33 is another prop firm that's very aggressive in recruiting. Yeah, so your trading cost, folks, so here in summary, really for the stock option division is 6,000. So, and on top of that, you need to make sure that you have 199. Yep, so that's really not that much enticing. So in terms of pros, let's talk about the pros. Okay, they give education, yeah, meaning, and the main education, they teach you risk management big time, meaning pretty much is, hey, you having a position, creating a position, they teach you hedging, which a lot of retail folks, traders, we are not ingrained with that. So that's something that they will hammer home. They have coaches, mentors, and then the selection process can be gruesome because I remember if you go through it, you have the impression, because first you have to create all of this, a plan, a trading plan, right? You have to validate it. You have to trade it for a month, 2 months in paper trading, which for me, actually, I'm okay with that, because even here at Successful Trading, we have encouraged traders who have never traded before. Yeah, you need to prove that. I believe in that part. But sometimes, I mean, people have excitement, say, hey, I'm going to be trading an account. You may not make it, actually, because you can put your plan together and it doesn't pass the criteria. They are very rigorous. Trust me. And that will make you believe that, because they don't tell you that at that time that, hey, you're going to be needing to put it, the 5K, and also how the 5K and the 20K will be working. So, yeah, so for me on here, should you join Maverick Trading? Not quite. I don't think so. Even if you have the capital, I think you can find a similar education at a more cheaper cost. That's just me. That's my opinion on here for the stock and option side of the house. For the FX side of the house, okay. Same story, folks. It's just that the numbers, the requirement in terms of how much you need to bring that small is slightly lower. So really, that's what's going on there. You still have to put up your own money, and then the profit sharing are the same, similar, I believe. Are they, or are they different? So yeah, they're about the same in terms of associate master. So you can make it. I'm not saying that it's impossible to make it. So yeah, here again we put the pros, right? So you get trade alerts, you have simulators, all of those things, risk management, all of that is great. I mean, if you're into trading Forex, that's a place to go. But there's this thing, right? They don't tell you ahead of time all of this. Hey, you need to bring 3K for the membership. Oh, okay, you think you're in. Then an additional 2K for the trading capital. Then you're going to be like, So yeah, here's the capital sharing overall, right? So and then you get some of these ideas. So the excitement here, when you're beginning, obviously you're going to begin most as everybody as associate level, right? Is that, hey, earning per year, okay, when you reach this level 4 or maybe level 3, 65,000 a year, $131 a year, but there's a small footprint, right? So it's not a guarantee that you're gonna make that, folks. It's not a guarantee that you're gonna make that. So I wanted to bring you here again another video about educating you if you're on your path to learn how to trade stock and option. For us, I mean, after you finish watching this video, check out the other video that we have regarding maybe other type of investment. But really, at the end of the day, if you are set on learning stock and option trading, I would suggest you check out Successful Tradings. Yeah, the video that you're watching is part of a website that is called Successful Tradings, and we gladly invite you to take the time to set up a meeting with us. Yeah, set up a meeting, a free meeting. We chat. What's your objective, and we see how we can be of help to help you in your endeavor to becoming a stock and successful trader. All right, until then, we bid you adieu. Have a great weekend, have a great evening, have a great morning, wherever you're watching from. We catch you next time. Bye-bye.